Hi, in front of me is ZTE A53 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down just a bit to access notifications. Then select App Settings at the top. Click on Most Recent under App Notifications and select the best option for you. In my case, all apps. Finally, you can tap on the switchers next to all of your apps from which you want to block notifications, like Booking.com. In order to switch them back on, click on the same, now gray switcher. If you want to, you can also just click on one of your apps on the left and manage all notifications thanks to this switcher next to all Chrome notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!